Beauties. So today I will be demonstrating and showing you all the products that comes with Stay at Home DMK facial. So in your package you should have received Deep Pore Cleanser. So this will be your step one. I already cleansed my face before I started the video, so I'm not gonna be showing you this step, but this is number one. So we're gonna cleanse with Deep Pore Cleanser, lather it up, massage it a little bit, and then take it off with a warm towel or just wash it off with water. Then there is Exaderma Peel. So this will be mixed with Foamy Lift, and I will show you how to do that. So we have this wonderful brush that came together in a kit and a DMK mixing bowl. So what we gonna do, I'm just using my professional size Exaderma Peel. So you wanna pour a little bit of that. And then we're gonna put some Foamy Lift powder. So I have this measuring cup, but you can do at home with a teaspoon. So try first with 1 teaspoon and see if it's enough for your face. And then you're gonna be mixing it up. You want to have a creamy consistency. And I will show you how it looks like. If you feel you need a little bit of more Exaderma Peel, you can do that. It's almost like mixing whipped cream. Okay, so this is kind of the consistency you want. And let's see if I have enough product for my face and décolleté area. So don't forget your neck, your face, and décolleté. We're gonna start on our décolleté area. So you wanna brush from one side, and you can just do like that. And then on your neck, you want to do upward motions. Don't forget right behind the ear, because all these muscles are connected, and that's the whole point, to get that nice lift. So I know it's almost translucent, you can't really see. Once it hardens, the color will be more visible. Then you go up. Don't do too many strokes up and down, because it will be more painful when it dries. So as long you keep going upward, and then you can get close to the eye, so you get a nice lift right there. Of course, be careful not to get into your eyes. Go on the other. Don't forget your mouth area. Your nose a little bit. And your forehead. So just like this, upward motion. Make sure you covered it all. If you need more product like I do, I'm just gonna mix a little bit more, half of the spoon, and a little bit of the Exaderma Peel, a little bit more of this. Don't put any water in it, please. So I got a little bit more, so I will continue applying it. If you feel a little bit of a stinging sensation, that's normal. It will go away in a couple minutes. If you get on the brow area, which is fine, because you do want to apply on the lid to get the nice eye area lift, just wipe it off with a wet towel or a cloth so it doesn't harden on your hair, and you will not have to rub it too hard when the actual mask hardens, because it's just gonna be more painful for you. Hi, so I'm back 35 minutes later. As you can tell, I can barely speak. I just want to show you what it kind of looks like. So it cracks. You can crack it with you actually. So you can crack it for easier takeoff of the mask before you jump into a shower, or if you're just gonna use wet towels to take it off. But I would suggest to jump off in the shower, will be easier. Also, what I want to show you, you can stretch your neck so it cracks more and it's not gonna be as intense on your skin. So you see here, I did apply, and this lid I kind of missed it, so I'm gonna get a little bit more of a lift here, but not on this eyelid. So you don't want to do that. I'm just letting you know what happens. Not a big deal, but just apply everywhere as much as you can. Your décolleté, your neck, behind the ear, on your cheeks, forehead, your both eyelids. Take off with the wet towel before it hardens, and then have fun in the shower taking it off, and follow with the rest of the facial routine. Serums, creams, maybe night masks. I hope this was helpful. Hi again. So I am back after a wonderful steamy shower. That's where I took my DMK Stay at Home Foamy Lift Mask. And you can see my face afterwards, if you can compare to before and after. I did apply my serums and creams after I stepped out of the shower. I wanted to remind you, when you're taking off the mask in your shower or by the sink, don't forget to lather up and apply some of the cleanser. It will be easier to take off the mask, and of course more beneficial for your skin. My skin feels like baby butt soft without even any products on right after I took it off. Oh my god. I hope you will feel and see the difference yourself. So enjoy, and let me know if you have any more questions.